Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix PowerPoint file which is not opening in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first thing is you need to select the file that you can't open or the file that you are facing an issue with. Do a right click, okay, and scroll down and go for properties. Here in this properties window, proceed to security and go with edit. Okay. Once you have clicked on it, you would be able to open this new window. Proceed to add and here go with advanced and go with find now under the common queries. Here you need to expand it first to see things clearly and scroll down to look for everyone. So you can see here next to event log readers. Click on OK to add and click on OK once again. Once done, select the everyone that you are have just added in the group or usernames and make sure it is in full control, modify, read and execute, read and write, and then apply, and then OK. And then OK once again, and open your presentation and check if your file can be opened with. Okay? And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to our second step, which here at the bottom search bar, you need to type PowerPoint and the best match would appear. Click on open to continue. The moment you've clicked on it, go with block presentation. And here you need to go with the left side of your screen. It has this file option. Click on it. Scroll down and go with options. Here in the PowerPoint options, proceed to Trust Center, which you can see there at the left tab. Click on it and go with Trust Center settings. Here under the Trust Center settings, you need to proceed to Protected View and it has this three options. Go with the first one, Enable Protected View for files originating from the internet. Make sure that it is unchecked and then OK. And then OK once again and check if your file has been fixed. Okay? Check if you can now open your PowerPoint file. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to our last step, which is you need to press Windows and R key together. Again, it is Windows and R key together. And here you need to type appwiz.cpl. Again, it is appwiz.cpl. Click on OK. The moment you've clicked on that, you would be redirected here at the programs and features. Here you need to select your Microsoft Office and go with changed and your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just proceed to yes. And here you need to repair your Microsoft Office. Proceed to repair and click on continue and it will repair Microsoft Office Professional Plus or whatever Microsoft Office that you have. Just have to wait. This process will take some time. Just have to put a lot of patience with it, and I'm sure it will fix your problem. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully, this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.